Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to start dividing fractions. Now, dividing fractions is a bit of a misnomer. It means it's not the right name. Because if I have 1/2 divided by 1/3, I can't do that. It's impossible. Division of fractions does not exist. We can't divide by fractions. When we divide, we can't do that. We must, what it really means is multiply by the reciprocal. Multiply by the reciprocal. Now, 1/3, the reciprocal of 1/3 is 3/1. You take the bottom, you put it on the top, and the top and put it on the bottom. Now, don't say cross multiply. That is not true. Your elementary school teachers lied to you. Do not cross multiply. What we're doing is we're multiplying by the reciprocal. Now let me show it to you in action. 2/5 divided by 3/7. Can't do that. I have to turn that into 2/5 times 7/3. Now that I have flipped them over, now I'm ready to multiply. 14/15. That's your answer. So let's practice another one. 6/7 divided by 4/3. Now let's make that negative just for giggles. And when we do this, that's going to create 6/7. You'll notice that doesn't change. Only the thing behind the divide changes. So 6/7 times 3/4. So 6 times 3, 18. 4 times negative 4 times 7, -28. At this point, we can reduce. 9/14. Don't forget that negative that's coming along for the ride. And there we go. That's as low as we can go. Now, let's say we have mixed numbers. Okay? If we have mixed numbers, 6 1/3 divided by 4 1/2. The same thing applies to division as multiplication. You simply do exactly the same thing by turning them into mixed numbers or improper fractions first. So 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 more is going to be 19/3. Divided by 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. And at this point, you'll notice I have not changed anything besides making it improper. Now that I have these two fractions, I'm actually ready to do the multiplication. So 19/3, switch the second bit, 2/9 gives me 38/27. I reduce by saying it goes in once with 11 left over. So division works exactly like multiplication. Do not cross multiply. Multiply by the reciprocal.